How to make wire transfer with Bank of America application. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. So for that, what you can do is we have these methods available. You may basically go ahead and log in into their mobile banking application. So you can basically go ahead and do so. And before getting started, you can gather this information, which are the recipient's information. So just go ahead and do so, which are wire routing number, bank account number, account type, recipient name and address, and their debit card number and PIN as well. After you're logged in, you should be fine in this section. You need to head over to Pay and Transfer tab to get started. So just go ahead and do so. And once that is done, you can click on the option called Wire. So click on Wire. And once you click on wire, you will be finding this option. You can wire money from two things, which is Bank of America, and another one is sending domestic wires. So select the option called Bank of America, and then once you do so, you can tap Start a Wire to initiate your wire transfer. After that is done, here you will be sending the money, so you can select where the account is located. For example, United States, you can select that, and then tap on Next, and then you can select the recipient account type, and then again click on Next. Once that is done, you can add the recipient's information. To choose state, select from the menu, and once all the details are entered, click on Next. After that is done, you can add the recipient's account details and routing number, and be sure to enter the recipient bank's wire routing number and click on Next. After that, you can confirm the details for your recipient and be sure to scroll down to review all the details and click on Add. After that, you can review all the important scam reminder and tap on OK, and that is it. After that is done, your domestic recipient has been added. You can choose your account to select the account from which you want to transfer money. After that, you can select your wire from account for the transfer and click on Next. And basically enter the amount at the very last you want to send and scroll down to receive the total cost for the wire transfer, including the wire transfer and optional notes for the recipient's bank if desired, and click on Next. And if you have not already, you can enroll to secure transfer for to send your wire, and you will receive a text message with the authorization code. You may just go ahead and enter it up, and your number will be enrolled. You will be getting a confirmation message. And at last, you can go ahead and review all the details and be sure to expand the fields. And you will be seeing confirmation that your wire transfer has been submitted. So, therefore, if you'd also like to do wire transfer from Bank of America application, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.